Hey traders, just wanted to look at Litecoin. I think we're gonna look at Litecoin and Bitcoin today. Whatever. I'm just gonna keep covering Litecoin until it stops. All right, we're streaking, so let's do it, man. Okay, so it broke out of the crazy uptrend it's in, but there's another idea. I've got something for you on another chart. We're hitting a horizontal line resistance, not a very strong one. We knew if we broke that 128 area, man, it'd be real nice. Here you go, man. You're really just facing this weak resistance back from January of 2018. Okay, and really it's also a resistance April 3rd, 2018. But there's like kind of another wick there too. So it's just kind of like this little resistance zone that you're touching and pulling back on. But breaking this, there's really not much left until $150. So Litecoin's doing crazy stuff, man. All right. It exceeded the 1272 fib extension from your high to low. We'll look at that in a second. Again, it broke the resistance that's upsloping, which is awesome. Okay, and so even with divergence, it said, I don't care. I'm still going to run the upside. But we talked about how divergence isn't as strong in bullish conditions. I mean, everything that is bearish in a bullish trend is not going to be as reliable, not as strong. But hey, resistances are still working, at least a little bit. All right, so this is what I want to talk about with Litecoin. Okay, so forget the crazy uptrend, from way back. Look at the velocity, the new angle of ascent we've got going. 1 and 2 on the top, just 3 and 4 on the bottom. And yeah, really nice heart line respect along this channel. All right, and so what I'm talking about with fib extensions, your previous high to low, that's how you anchor your Fibonacci to get targets. All right, when you break resistance, right? That's how you do it, high to low. And so as you can see, we stalled at the 1272, couldn't break it for a while, but now as you can see, we pivoted and now we're rallying. And where have we touched? We've hit the golden mean ratio on the dot. If you can see that magenta line right there, it's not very visible, but $137.17. It seems like that's exactly what we hit. All right, so we are overbought right now, and we still are diverging, even though the positive memo is picking up. And interestingly, the volume is staying rather high, okay, on this move up. All right, so this is pretty wild, man, pretty wild. But again, looks like you're approaching the top of the upsloping channel. This looks like this is how we're trending right now. Okay, so yeah, man, that's it. Again, 1, 2, and just 3 on the bottom with candle closes, right? Lots of touches there. So that's it, man. That's Litecoin. Wonderful. We know if we can break that 135, 137 area, 150 seems like the next target. But how are you going to get there being so overbought? It's crypto, right? So, okay, man. But just, it's high flyer. Very, very high flyer. So just FOBOing. I know you're probably tempted to at these levels, man. But man, in a day, this thing can drop like 20%. It's crypto, man. All right, now let's just go to Bitcoin real quick, wrap it up. This little quick video. Bitcoin, man, still okay, right? Still okay. Dude, how lit would it be? All right, so we talked about probabilities last night, yesterday, okay? And so people are like, where are we going? It's like, all right, so we have to do a pros and cons list. We have to understand that we're making lower highs, lower lows for now, but overall we're in an uptrend, okay? We know that on the daily, we had just bullishly engulfed. Tweezer bottomed. Right, this is a bullish engulfing tweezer bottom, all right, with like double bottom action going. Lots of support here, all right? And that's very bullish. But we're below the 20-day moving average. Need to get back above that. Look how we sold off and bounced off of 7,700 and rallied. Wow. Okay, that's nice. So the daily made us more inclined to the upside, but we said on the 4-hour bearish divergence, class B bearish divergence, where you made a high, you double topped, made a second high with lower levels of positive momentum, which is impending price action reversal to the downside. So we got it, but when we got it, all we did was test again a critical support looking left back from 2018. We made a higher low than our previous low, and now we are trying to bullishly engulf. So we could get the best of both worlds, where there was a chance we would sell off because of this. We did, but now we're pivoting, we're booting, and maybe we're going to rally. Maybe we'll see this harmonic play out, X, A, B, C, D. PCZ, pattern completion zones, the 88.6% retrace. I don't know if we'll get there. Maybe we'll get to the 78.6% retrace, which is where that square up is, right, at 8,400. So that's what we're thinking. Okay, so maybe both play out. That's awesome. I'm glad to see a sell-off respecting the TA. Okay, that's what you do when you sell off. But to the extent of how far you sell off is unknown. All right, and if the trend is bullish, man, you're going to hold supports. You're going to start bullish engulfing and stuff. So let's see if we can pivot here, and again, eventually break the downswing resistance, which we have not been able to do yet of this little downtrend. All right, you break that, really high chance you'll be going up to 8,400 at least. All right, so that's it, chat. Just doing my, whatever little daily update. Litecoin's doing things. Bitcoin's pivoting and really helping Litecoin continue up. So think about what Litecoin's going to do if Bitcoin, rallies up for real. It does start making just standard retraces, right? Would be pretty interesting. We'll be covering it live today anyway. So we go live at 6 p.m. Eastern, 11 p.m. Eastern. And check me out if you're a new viewer or sub. All right. Look forward to seeing y'all then. Leave a like, leave a comment in the description below. And hit that sub button. Appreciate y'all. Till next time, respect the TA.